this is another good flat one. Actually, this one's probably flatter than that. You not have any bubble?
Well, why would I have the bubble ready?
Whew, I choked myself on smoke.
At least I got gobs up here.
That's good.
It is.
Being that it's just the beginning of, actually it ain't even kicked into winter yet. What hive is this?
I have no idea.
17, so it's one of our splits from the spring.
Didn't it requeen itself like twice?
No, this is the one that kept doing the wonky comb, and then it started doing a lot better. And once it started doing that right, it took off.
It still got a little wonky in there, but
Yeah.
not like it was.
It got robbed out real bad one time because during a dearth we pulled out a frame of a wonky comb and it ripped it all open.
But they survived it.
Yeah. They got robbed out, recovered, and then...
The bubble wrap.
Is it not right? Nope, it ain't right.
We have a rock on it too?
Yeah, some of them we do have both rock and the strap. Just because we had rocks, we went through added straps and we did not take the rocks off and why throw them on the ground and lose them when they can still do their purpose on top until we move them. And this
Whatever.
strap got a knot in it. If I leave them on the ground, I'll end up getting them with the mower or the bush hog, so.
Yeah. My Russians. My precious.
These ones was a split that we gave a Russian queen to.
And do you know, I was doing some, never mind, I'll talk off camera. That Russians are, might